be either liberated or you could be bound. So what they say, you must live a life like a bird. When a bird flies, it doesn't leave any impressions behind, does it? So what's happening now, when we perform actions, our actions are creating impressions. And the impressions are the desires and the vasanas. So I often take this example. You know, imagine you go into a mall, a huge mall. You have to go because you have to pick up something there. It's not a you walk into a shop, pick up and come out. No, you have to go into a mall. And you decide you will spend a little while in the mall. So why did you go to the mall? To pick up something. You want to pick up an item.
You don't need.
You know, sir?
Which you don't need.
No. That is secondary. But you have gone there with something you needed.
Go shop.
You want it. You got there. Now, having gone there, what you have done? That shop is other end of that mall. So you do right through the mall. You have done the
Window shopping.
window shopping. So you spend, let's say, half a day there. Having left the mall, what did you leave the mall with? Chipan sir.
Second mall in the mind.
With more packets in your hand.
What is required, what is not required also it will be taken.
You have certainly perhaps picked up what you have gone there for. You have left with impressions of future wants and desires.
Next time when I go, what I should go and buy that.
Sir, future.
Not, you can't even fulfill next time. You may have to visit next 10 times to get there.
No, by the time I get more people active.
This is what I mean. Are you free, liberated, or you are bound? So imagine having lived a life of performing various deeds, have you created bondage or liberated?
Bondage.
Which? And the Janma which? Khatam?
From their attachment.
Samadhi. Huh?
From their attachment.
Adu vera. See, attachment is towards things you have, desire is for things you do not have.